कि nonghikai school SSA hapo alama jong all Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan School Teachers Association AMSSA STA haga khandai trik Urisa kilalit turpat ba shapo secretariat ban penbor ya kasorkar jela bakan pentre kamno mardor ya kajing tawa penkiu tulam kani kajing tur jong senjuk kalong banyak kendu ya menteri ramba jela ukonrat ki sangma bat menteri katanat puli puthi urakam isangma bakin tuklar lam halor kani kajing dawa penkiu ya katulap asis pa pesan kabla shusa teng mentala slamba habakran shakila puthai kubor u president ka association uba pita thernyang ulaong hadian banglapoy has secretariat la pentip shangi ba chief minister bat menteri katanat puli puthi kim shimladan kumta ngilai kendu penlong ya kajinga keren hakabaya day bat kani kaman bat unong ay kitin ka sorkar jela uba polling do.
See, we have been sitting for the state administration from the first of the month October up to date. It's already 9 days long. So today, when we had a meeting with all the teachers who have come and participated in the state administration, our teachers they have decided that we have to force the government. We have to visit again this secretariat, the education minister, and at the same time the CM. But when we reach here, the CM and the education minister were not available. So we have met the spokesperson of the government of Meghalaya, Paul, and we have discussed with him, and he told us that yes, the government has prepared. And regarding the presence of the education minister, he said that in the sake of the education minister, he said that the education minister has already submitted a first representation to the chief minister, but the chief minister, he asked again him that he has to prepare another second presentation. That's all, and he has advised us that we have to meet the advisor of education, Sir H.M. Champion.
Are you going to meet?
Yes, we are going to meet him because he is the advisor to the education of government of Meghalaya, so he knows well regarding the announcement that we have demanded from the government.
The strike will continue.
Pardon?
Yes.
Okay, the agitation will continue. Will continue as unless until we have received or we have achieved our demands. So we will be there in the playground of Malki.